In previous video, we discussed about communication technology, advances and disadvantages of computer. In this video, we have discussed about IPO cycle and functional component of computer. So let start. Working of a computer. A computer system follow the IPO cycle where it takes the input from the user by using some input devices, process the given instruction in CU and ALU to generate the accurate output. All the immediately and final result are stored in computer's main memory before displaying the output. We can summarize a computer takes an input, carries out a process upon it, and produces an output. IPO, it means IPO stand for input process output cycle. Whenever input something in a computer is called input, then first computer process it. It means whenever something input in a computer is called input, then first computer process it and other processing, and after processing the result are generated, and the generated results are called output. It is clear? And next, functional components of a computer system. Mainly a computer has 4 components: input devices, processing unit, output devices, storage. It means every time these components have to work, and if any component not to work, then we cannot use computer. It means all parts are necessary for your computer: input devices, process unit, output devices, and storage unit. First we have input devices. First is input devices. Input devices are the devices with the help of which can input the data in computer. What is input devices? Input devices are the devices with the help of which can input the data in a computer. Next one, processing unit. When we give inputs in a computer, these inputs will be executed by the computer, and when we give input, and these inputs will be executed by the computer, and for the execution of input it will use processing unit. like as ALU and CU. It means when you give input into a computer, it will be execute by the ALU and CU. Next one, output devices. When your data is processed, it will generate the final output. When processing are completed, when your processing are completed, it will be generated the final output. And for carry out the final output devices are generally used. All the peripheral devices will be used. Last one is storage. And after the output, the output sometimes also store in computer memory. After the output sometimes also store in computer memory, and that the role of storage is store the particular data. And next one, now here is a simple diagram that you have to understand. One side input devices, and other side output devices, and the central things are able to see it. It is a CPU. It means input devices, output devices, and center is CPU. Inside the CPU has three parts. CU, that means control unit, ALU, arithmetical and logical unit, and MU, memory unit, also called storage. That's end of part first. And next video we will discuss about our input output IPO cycle again in long term. Okay.